Good morning. Post Christmas. Hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas day yesterday. We had a nice one here at Hambyland. Yes, it was different. Yes, it was sad. Yes, it was emotional. But it was a damn good day. Oh man, you see that bird? And we enjoyed it. We survived. Not everybody showed up because there was sickness in the family. So we was all kind of separated. I was laughing about, I was talking to Sarah's preacher, I said COVID 2.0 and everything, but we survived. As you see, Montana made fun of my pumpkins. So they're gone this morning. And you also see we had the new peas. Well, Jared and I was at Walmart at 6 o'clock this morning. I went because I wanted to get him an owl that they never would mark that sucker down till today. So I went and got him an owl, and then he bought that and he added that to Hambyland. So it was fun. I ran into him at Walmart. So got some birthday today. Got Stephanie Stonett. Happy birthday. She worked with Sarah at Indian Creek. Also, Sarah's friend and teaching over the years, Miss Butts. Hey, Miss Butts. It's her twin boy's birthday today. I'm not going to mess up their names right off the bat because I couldn't think of them right at the moment. But, happy birthday to your sons, Miss Butts. And have a wonderful day with them. So, enjoy this week because everybody's probably not half-ass working and everything. Got New Year's coming up. So be safe, be kind. If you see somebody, give them a helping hand. There's people out there who use a lot of, different things. So that would make you feel better. So here's our bell ring for the day. Look like the wind's blowing, so it'll probably blow my poor old blow-ups all over the place. But hey, they're staying up until after New Year's. And I also have a bell ring. And hey, Miss Lale,